Yes, YouTube, I am back. I am back. But this channel will be changed. There will be no longer DIY videos. On this channel we will have surf adventures, guitar playing, and many more. I hope you will not be disappointed. And I hope you will follow me on this adventure this summer. I'm now here at Crozon for the Defiwind. Not well trained, not repaired. I have even some injuries on my knee and my heel, but still I will go. I will go to that adventure. Defiwind 2022. Yes. Will you join me? So I left Crozon in France and I went to Spain, to Rosas, the Bay of Rosas. Tomorrow there will be a proper wind, so I have there are really good conditions to make a good training for the Defi. And I have also found a good place to park near the beach, so that I don't have to walk very long. So I hope it will be a good day tomorrow. So I had a quite good training session at Rosas. About 20 knots, maybe a little more, 6-0, in salty water. I'm not used to it. Ugh. But anyway, it was a good training session. I hope it will be good for my knees, those waves. Well, I'm back in Crozon, near Crozon, at a camping, and to charge the batteries of myself and the car. But there's a problem. There's no wind. There's no wind at all. Maybe in 2 days there will be a little bit of wind, and it's only, well, 15 to 20 knots. And yeah, I don't know. Where's the Tramontana? I don't know. I hope when the Defi will start there will be some good wind. Well, anyway, I made some footage of the surroundings of Crozon, the places where the Defi will be, the start, the tents, etc. And my assistant will tell you about something about the Defi, for those who don't know anything about the Defiwind. So, enjoy.
The Defiwind is a simple sailing race. A rapid start, 3 jibes and across the finish line. Okay. The total distance is 40 kilometers and if possible there are 2 starts in one day. That's 80 kilometers. And if that is not enough, we sail with at least 20 knots of wind. Every windsurfer will not find that a problem if it weren't for the fact that the strength of the Tramontana wind 10 kilometers away can be 10 knots more. The correct sail size is therefore of great importance. Okay, Rob, every time I talk about big, it even makes me a little horny. So big does matter. Board size and fin size can also be decisive. I'm getting really hot about this. Of course, I'm not saying the bigger the better. It's what you can do with it. Although the Defiwind is a relatively simple race, there are still a few things to consider. I need some time for myself now. Thank you for watching. Although it was suggested that there will be no more DIY uploads at all, there will still be a few things to see. A different kind of Rob Rock, and I hope you'll check out the soon-to-be released video as well. In it, a Defiwind rock song. Yes, you heard that right, Defiwind rock song. So like, subscribe, share, or whatever you want. See ya.